Hey guys, I am back at it again. Don't mind the lips. I know. Okay. And I don't know what's going on with my phone right now, but it's like a little, I don't know, like fuzzy. But anyway, today I went to Jamba Juice. Okay, I got the apple cinnamon something. It's like a toast. And then I got an island potato, and I got a green and ginger smoothie. So let's see if we can take a pic with all three. Okay, I'm not taking a bite, just a thumbnail. Okay, hold on. Perfect. Okay. It's nice. I was nervous about this drink, but we're gonna see. Greens and ginger. It is a vegan option. Surprisingly, this isn't nasty. This is really good. Brain freeze. Anyways, let me take another bite of this. See how my lips are healing, guys? I don't know why my camera looks so blurry. Like it's buffering or something. It's like, it has a bunch of little dots. You see that? So weird. This apple cinnamon thing, really good. You know, fall is approaching, and I thought it would be a nice little treat to add today. Especially since I haven't tried any vegan sweets lately. So much chewing. I wonder if back in the day, when Travis Scott mentioned Jamba Juice, if that was like, if he was paid for that, or was it just because it really did, I don't know, go with the flow of the song. But I always wondered that. Okay, I haven't even gotten to the bowl. Okay, so this was in the bag, and a spoon. See, we're going into fall. Oh, listen, I don't waste. Here's our island potato. Let me know if, because I'm in the shade, like the lighting isn't up to bar. Up to bar. If you're new, feel free to let me know some places you want me to try, whether it's like an activity or food. Ooh. It's really good. The honey, the granola. Some banana. It's really good. It's making my teeth really cold. So, island potato bowl from Jamba Juice, 10 out of 10. Vegan greens and ginger smoothie, 10 out of 10. And the apple, cinnamon, whatever you like to call it, pretzel. It looks like a pretzel, so I'm gonna say pretzel. 10 out of 10. Nothing I'm eating or tasting has that weird chemical aftertaste. It's really nice. Oh, I never really showed you guys. I thought I wasn't hungry, but my body said, hell yeah. I want to know how you guys are adjusting to shifting from the summer to the fall. If you have kids, if you have a family, if you have a schedule, if you're in training, whether it's sports, let me know how you're adjusting to the switch. Transitioning back into everything. This is really good. And it's not super liquidy. It's just that it's 109 degrees outside. So even though the AC's on, it's still melting. And I don't even like strawberries. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like strawberries. I don't. But this all together tastes pretty good. This looks like the lady who created the pink sauce, Chef P or some pie, or that's what this reminds me of, the pink sauce. So, I don't even like blueberries or blackberries, whatever this is. Like, all together, all of this tastes good. The little pieces of coconut, everything. So, if you have not gone to Jamba Juice, you never have, you probably said, oh, I'm not a juice girl. Listen, give this stuff a try. Let me know. And let me know anything else to try, vegan options wise. I am exhausted. And it's crazy. Out here, you get exhausted just from being, like, in the sun. Everything's melting so quickly. I'm gonna go home and put this in the freezer. Everything is so good. This tastes like the Last Supper. Like, it is so good. You don't want it to end. I thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to post new content and to come out of my shell. Yeah, I got my lips done. We're gonna see what they look like. Okay. They were already pretty big, so I don't think it'll be super scary or dramatic. I just wanted a little that's what I wanted, a little Well, I'm so grateful for all of you, and it really makes my day to see you guys like watch. It's really cool, and I hope to hear feedback really soon from all of you. Tell me, hey, maybe you should try a little of this in the editing. Maybe put a little bit of this in the intro. Maybe a new intro. Maybe a little music. Let me know. It takes a teamwork to make the dream work, okay? I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Transitioning Beauty out. Bye.